Inclusion and diversity in people and thought introduce new perspectives and a greater variety of solutions.
Diversity is important to me because it promotes innovation, it builds brand recognition and trust, and I feel that anyone who has an open heart and mind, it has that bit of inclusion for all that helps everyone take part and be a part of whatever we're participating in.
Diversity is important to TMA because it allows people with different cultures and backgrounds to come together and cultivate ideas that others may not have been thinking of in the past.
Accepting different philosophy and way of thinking helps people and company grow.
While diversity invites more people to the table, THK strives for more and ensures everyone's unique voice, experience, and expertise are valued and included.
Diversity is important because it allows you to listen to people, have better discussions, make better decisions, get better results.
Diverse knowledge, wisdom, and philosophies lead to individual and corporate growth.